We study about the lattice form. Okay, when we say lattice form, we use multiplication. First example, if the number to the right is 94 times 25. Okay, in using lattice form, first, do not use borrowing or carry. We multiply 4 times 5, it equals to 20. And then 5 times 9 equals to 45. And then the other one, next given is 2 times 4 equals 8. And then 2 times 9 equals 18. So in using lattice form, add all the product. Okay, first in line, bring down 0. Then 2 plus 5, 7 plus 8 equals 15, carry 1. Then 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 8 is 3, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, if you multiply 94 times 25 in lattice form, the answer is 2,250. Okay, class, do you understand under lattice form? Okay, thank you and thank you for watching.